Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into an exciting mixed media technique where we combine the vibrancy of acrylic paint with the bold, expressive mark making of charcoal. If you've ever wanted to add texture and depth to your paintings, then this is the perfect method to try. I made a short video on how I created this acrylic underpainting, and I will link that in the description below, as well as at the end of this video. So let's get started. So this is just a quick preview of the acrylic underpainting, but like I said, I will link that in the description below and at the end of this video, where you can watch the full version of how this was created. After I completed the acrylic underpainting, I did apply 2 coats, allowing each one to dry, of this clear acrylic gesso. It is clear, so it dries completely clear, so you can see the acrylic underpainting, but what it does is it provides a really good tooth for your charcoal to grab onto. And it does make layering the charcoal pretty easy to do. Using my pan pastel applicator, I am now applying powdered charcoal. I like to make my own powdered charcoal, and if I ever get too much on the applicator, I just wipe some of it off using that paper towel. At this point, I apply a nice layer of the workable fixative. I actually did apply 2 layers, allowing each to dry, and this adds to the tooth of the surface and allows me to keep building up the layers of charcoal. And here I dipped my brush into some clean water just to see what would happen as I wiped it across the mane, and I did really like the effect. And what was nice is I was able to erase some of it back after it dried. Now it's time to apply the isolation coat, and I do this by putting it into a fine misting spray bottle and misting the painting 2 times, allowing each layer to dry. And what this does is that it seals in the acrylic paint as well as the charcoal and has a nice even sheen. And the way I apply this is I use a fine misting spray bottle. Now this is a very well used bottle, as you can see, but what you do is you spray it on, as I've demonstrated in the video, and it has a nice fine mist. And what I do is I allow that to dry, and then I apply a second coat, allow that to dry, and then I'll softly touch any areas of the charcoal to make sure none of it is coming off. And if all the charcoal is completely sealed, then the painting is finished. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I'd so appreciate it if you gave it a like and subscribe to my channel. I will be loading new videos very soon, and I look forward to seeing you back here. Thank you again. Bye.